Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how to change the key fob battery for a Ford Edge. And this fob was used from 2007 models to 2015. Okay, so the battery is inside this key here, this remote, and what we need to do is to separate this into two pieces. If you look at the side, there's kind of a line that goes all the way around this key. Now, to actually separate this, what you need to do is basically get some leverage between the two pieces. And the way to do that is there's a little notch right in the corner, the upper right corner here, if you're looking at the key right there. So this corner right here, if you take a look at the side there, there's a little notch. And what I found the easiest is you can take like a flathead screwdriver or even just another key, get into that notch and then just twist it, and you'll be able to get some separation between those two pieces. And then also where the key ring might be attached, you can get in there and get some good separation as well. And this will take some work, but you'll be able to pry apart those two pieces. And on the main side of the fob here, you may find this is covered by this little rubber piece. Just go ahead and remove that. You can place it in its spot back on the covering if you'd like. Basically that just kind of helps keep the battery in place. So you see the CR2032 battery, that'll just fall right out if you flip it over like that. So grab a new CR2032. I should make sure the positive side is towards you. The positive side has the lettering there. When you place that back in, place that there, and then go ahead and just pop this back on. And there you go. It'll snap back into place, and that's how you change the battery in the Ford Edge for this key fob. And again, the battery here was the CR2032.